Alright guys, so this is day 2 of being in my new office. As you can probably tell by the sound, it's a bit less echoey because there's a lot more stuff in this room. So yeah, I've been a little bit busy. I've managed to get my laser down. I've pulled my computer down and that's going to be set up. I need to get that set up first so I can edit these videos for you guys and get working with the laser. There was a little bit of a casualty with the laser, I'll show you that in a moment, but it's fixable. That's the main thing. It's not going to take long to fix. Like I said, first thing is I need to get my computer set up, so let's have a look at where that's going. Alright, as I said, this is the area where I want my PC to go. Laser's there. Hopefully that's going to sit across that wall and not interfere with my 3D printers, and I'll have all of this middle bit space clear. Maybe. At the minute, these are on 2 sawhorses because it is 8 o'clock at night. I went to Wickes around 6:30 and I couldn't get, it was shut, so I couldn't get any 3x2. I was going to build a 3x2 frame with 2 legs at the front and then the back was going to attach to the wall. Kind of like a breakfast bar kind of thing. And yeah, a little bit of masking tape at the back is the height that I would prefer my desk at because that's where my chair goes, but my chair can go up and down a bit, so where it's at now should be fine. As I said, laser is going over there. I took all of the covers off to try and make this as light as possible because I had to kind of move it on my own. It looks tiny on this video, it's huge. Well, it's not huge, but it's pretty big for a room this size, and it's pretty big for just somebody doing this a little bit at a time. The casualty is in this box of bits. I put it in here so it wouldn't disappear. It is this mirror. When I went to pick it up to slide down some of the stairs, because I used this face flat on the stairs and I just slid it down because I had to bring it down 2 flights of stairs. I gripped on here and I pulled this mirror off from its mounting plate there. Don't know what's happened. I think the screws might have stripped out at some point. I do remember that I couldn't line it up properly after I put a new tube in, so I ended up just mitre bonding it on. So maybe the screw holes in there didn't line up with where this was, and I might need to elongate them. Maybe, don't know. I'll have a look in a moment when I'm assembling everything, but it's fixable. It shouldn't take too long to fix it. That's the only thing that went as far as I know. Everything else is perfectly fine. So we're going to get PC set up for step 1. Step 2, get the laser set up and connected to the PC because I've got a lot of orders that I need to catch up on. So yeah, I'll set the camera up over there somewhere, pointing this way. I'm going to do a time lapse of me putting all my PC bits in, getting everything together, and hopefully that fires up straight away. PC's usually pretty simple, straightforward. Once you plug everything in, it should work. Laser, however, will need a full realignment, so that will take a bit of time. So let's go.
Alright guys, so while you are watching me in the time lapse of putting this together, I just want to take the time and say thank you to everybody that's subscribed so far, everybody that follows along to my videos. You're all absolutely amazing. Everyone that likes and comments and shares the videos, it just makes me feel so much happier. It makes me want to create content more for you guys, and you know, if you want more content, then let me know what kind of videos you want to watch down below. If you like watching me setting up this workspace and you've got any suggestions about where I should put things or how things should be laid out, again, let me know down below. I know some of you are going to be freaking out a little bit about the cabling and the way this has been set up, but this is a temporary setup and I just needed to get the PC on and running, and so I could get the laser cutting and we could get some work done because I've got quite a backlog of orders and it all needs putting out and just doing as soon as possible basically. It is all up and running now, which you'll see in the next video where I set up my laser, but for now this PC is set up, ready to go, and yeah, this is all done, so enjoy the rest of this video.
Alright guys, we're on. Don't slate me for my cable management down there. There was no point in me making everything nice and tidy, because when I put this desk in properly, I'm going to take it all back out again and then put it all back again. I just needed it on and working so I can get jobs done today and tomorrow. So when I'm doing this desk properly, all this is going to come back out, get all nice and cleaned. All the cable management is going to be put in nicely. There's going to be shelves and stuff around here for my printers and stationery and stuff. But for now, I just need it on and working, being able to connect and get my laser set up. So that's it for this video. It's not going to be it for me for today. I've got to get my laser set up, but you guys can go through that with me, because that's going to be a longer time and there's no point in you watching all of this in one go. You might as well be able to digest it a bit at a time, because you're not in as much of a rush as I am, hopefully. So yeah, thanks for watching. Next time I'll be getting a laser set up.